Hello everyone. Hope all of you are safe and indoors and really healthy. Do pray, keep praying with a lot of faith to bring things to normal. So I just want to tell you that my daughter has completed all the brain exercises and the eye exercises. She has actually learned it from the organization called Brighter Minds. In fact, she has completed a course, the Alpha course, from this organization, which is really helping in the cognitive skill development and a lot of other skill developments like intuition, attention, bringing in attention, concentration, focus, and so many other aspects, the coordination of all the elements of our human body. So many things that they look into, and there is a next level course that she is looking forward to do, which is like the Alpha Plus course. And this is just not about the exercises. It has a lot more to do, where she can blindfold herself and look at objects, look at things to read, and so many things that are related. And there is also an alpha music that she listens to. So all these things, it requires a lot of motivation from our side as elders. Like, we can really guide them to the right way, right path, and give them a lot of motivation so that they get dedicated to this activity, because this is just not an exercise or something. It has to be as part of their daily chore. Like how they get up and do their activities, similar to that, this has to be inculcated as part of their daily routine. So definitely do watch this video and spread this message to many other people. And Brighter Minds as an organization is a wonderful organization, and it has trainers all over the world. So you can enroll your child to one of the trainers and get benefited. So really happy that my daughter has come forward to share her knowledge to so many children, to at least get to know about these exercises and start doing it as a first step. You can definitely get your child enrolled because this is the right time. Between 5 and 15 years is the right age. In fact, not even 15 years, I think 13 years it closes, because that's the time where neurons get developed, the neural system is in place, and a lot of development happens. So really wish that you take this forward for your children too.
Hello everyone, hope you all are healthy and staying indoors. Many of you have seen my video on brain exercises in the YouTube channel Corona Times. Today I'm going to continue the rest of the brain exercises and show you some eye exercises. So let's start. Okay, let's start. I finished my last video with the 5 brain exercises. So now I'm going to the rest of it. I'll continue it. The 6th exercise is, in one hand keep the number 1, and in the other hand keep your index finger and your thumb finger pointing to the number 1. And now just see and you can repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can increase your count and speed as you progress. So the 7th exercise is, in one hand keep all your fingers closed to your thumb and to your palm, and your thumb just touching the index finger, the middle of the index finger, like this. And in the other hand keep the number 5 and just touch the end of the little finger here, not the tip, here. Just interchange it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 7th exercise is, the 8th exercise is in one hand, you keep both the hands like this. For the sake of the video, I am keeping my hands like this. You have to keep it straight actually. So now let's begin with the thumb finger and in the other hand with the index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 9th exercise is step 1. Keep your hands or your palms touching your knees and bend down slightly. Now, when you're doing this exercise, you can slightly move your body. First, you can start with your right hand. Go cross and touch your left ear, and the other hand go straight and touch your nose. Do it continuously and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now the 10th exercise is, in one hand keep your palm open facing upward, and the other hand keep it sideways facing to the other hand and move slightly side to side. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also interchange the hands and do the 10th exercise. So now the 11th exercise is, in one hand you keep it, don't touch your head, you can keep it above the head, and the other hand don't touch the stomach but keep it further and make a circle. Here you just move it upwards. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the last exercise is, keep both your hands like the alphabet X. Touch the tip of your ears, and when you're doing this exercise gives you a focus or a concentration in what you're doing and gives a flexibility in your body. So now let's start. Just touch it lightly. Sit down. 1. Stand up. This is also called, like in Tamil, Thopukarnam. 2. as you progress. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So thank you everyone. This is the end of the brain exercise. Now I'll start with the eye exercise. The exercise number 1 is, in any of your home's wall corners, you just have to not move your body parts or your neck. That's very important in this eye exercise. So now just be still and look upward and move your eyeball sideways. Left to right, right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's okay if you can blink your eyes if it pains. This is the first exercise. The second one is, look upward and downwards, up and down. 1, do it slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the third exercise is, move your eyeball like the clockwise and the anti-clockwise. First you have to start from 12. That means up, straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The fourth exercise is, you can use the help of your hand, or if you don't need, you can just leave it. So I'm going to start the fourth exercise. Just look at the point of your finger and move like an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please don't get distracted. 7, 8, 9 and 10. The last exercise is, with the help of the hand, just look at the point of the finger and move zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 2 triangles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and bye.